Sheikh, so if you see the news recently, there's like two countries are fighting right now, and one of them is Shia and one of them is Jewish, and they both make many bad things to Muslims. So us as Muslims, are we allowed to cheer for one of them, or should we just remain neutral?
Is this all what the Muslims can do? Cheer? Ya akhi, this is not a football game. This is not something that we, go out in the streets with flags and supporting country X or country B or this or that. This is what we've always stated that is not permissible. That is the issue of demonstrations, where lots of chaos, lots of haram things take place. As Muslims, we side with anyone who claims to be Muslim, even if they're full of innovation, even if we believe in their hatred and enmity of Islam and the Muslims, yet still they're better than the other part, which is blatantly killing civilians, women, children, and the whole world is watching. And their ministers say that we would like to annihilate all the children, all the suckling babies, even the dogs and donkeys and animals they have. We would like to wipe them all off, annihilate them. Is this something plausible to them, the disbelievers who are united against Islam? It is. And if any Muslim would have said this, they would have labeled the whole region as a region of terror and a bloodthirsty, violent fanatics. So we don't cheer. We judge things by what we see. And definitely to side with a corrupt Muslim with corrupt aqeedah against any non-Muslim is a priority in Islam, and Allah knows best.